Let's renovate this table together. So first thing I need to do is get all this thick varnish off. So I used oven cleaner, I just washed it off and it took all of the top coat off. The legs I'm painting, so I just wiped it down with sugar soap. Now the top of the table I decided I needed to sand down because I wanted to stain the wood. Now I found out the table is actually MDF, so I can't do the edges of the table. I'm gonna have to paint those. Because I'm a messy painter, I've put blue tape all around the edge of the table so I can go ahead and paint the edges. I primed it first and then I did 2 top coats. I just used a brilliant white and I primed the legs and then I sprayed on the top coat just to give it a really lovely even finish. And once that was all dry, I just went ahead and I just sanded down some of the edges just to distress it a little bit so it's not too perfect. It's time to start working on the top of the table. So because of the wood itself is really uneven, I decided to actually whitewash it. I wanted to lighten it up a bit. It was a bit too yellow for my liking. So I added a drop of paint to some water and I basically brushed it on and then wiped it off like I would a stain. And I added 3 coats of poly, sanding in between each coat, and this is the finished result.